Hello YouTube. First of all, I have to apologize for my absence. Some friends did notice my voice on my last video, and that was actually the beginning of COVID-19. My whole family got infected with it. Well, my whole family is pretty small actually. It's my wife and her grandfather. And I'm still struggling. I'm still not over it. And today I slept like 12 hours because I just could not get up. But anyway, as they say, don't tell your problems people, because 80% don't care and 20% are glad you have them. So what I wanted to show you is my GPS IceCube that I did not make in a long time. Reason being, I cannot find the good OLED displays. Nice people in China decided to change the size of it, so the glass, although it's the same pixel, it's small, it's significantly smaller. So, and the colors are not as bright as you can see here. And that's why I actually stopped making all of my OLED products, or most of them. I kept the bootloader burner on, because on that the size didn't really matter, because it was sitting on top of the PCB, which I can show you right real quick. I just had an inquiry today about the bootloader burner. So this is the bootloader burner, and here the display size really does not matter, although on the newer ones, as you can see here, well, probably not, but it's ground, VCC, SCK and SDA. They decided to switch the ground and the VCC pins, which makes them useless to me, because mine are set up for ground and then VCC. So anyway, I had guy from New York ask me about the cube, and I had just 2 of these OLED displays, so I decided to make one for him. And this is the result, and I will send this out today. So I thought to myself, I make a fast video. So you have 4 screens. I showed this many times before, but I might as well do it again. He's getting, of course, the Imperial version with miles per hour, altitude in feet, and the date format is month, day, year. You can change between cardinal letters and in degrees, 0 to 359 degrees, the heading. You can change that. On the second screen, you have your latitude, longitude, the distance you traveled, and then you can save your current position, and then it will measure from your current position to wherever you travel. I have to really say I have missed this little guy, and all because of the Chinese, because they decided to screw around with those OLED displays. Anyway, here you have a trip summary, which shows you the distance traveled, time, date, and satellites received. And the last screen is the clock. It shows you the battery voltage, satellites received. It's currently in 12-hour mode, month, day, year. And if you switch shortly or press shortly, it switches to 24-hour mode. And with this you can always also adjust your time zone. To do so, you press and hold, and then it says select time zone by pushing in. Currently it's time zone 3. I did not set it, it was just like that. So you can set your different time zones, and if you're happy with what you have, you push down on the switch and it does save it, and you can switch back to 12-hour mode again. So this is my cube. I did order 10 OLED displays, and I should be receiving them within probably 2 weeks, and then I will be able to make more of these marbles. Right now they are sold out on Tindy because also they're the larger model with the 1.3 inch display. This is the 0.96 inch display, which has this case. The bigger one does not have a case. It does go into a GoPro session case for waterproofing and mounting and whatnot. And this is more handheld unit, as you can see. And the customer who bought this actually wants to mount it into his helmet to see his speed. So I hope he doesn't go too fast. Drive safe. Oh, obviously you have a micro SD card. What the hell I'm talking? Micro USB port to charge the internal battery. This is your on-off switch, and this is your navigation switch. And the green blinking is actually the pulse per second, and the red is the power LED. This runs about 4 or 5 hours continuously. I have to check again. I forgot what the real current consumption is, but it runs pretty long on a battery because these OLED displays are pretty they use very little current, let me put it that way. So anyway, this is my IceCube GPS. Depending on the displays that I'm get, I will make some clocks as well, because I do have the same thing in the same 3D printed ABS case as a clock. And but currently I will make GPS first. So if you're interested, leave me a comment. Since I have more people waiting for it than I can supply right now, I will not update it on my Tindy page, but if you want it, you can get it directly from me, as this customer did. So anyway, this is it for today, and I sure hope that I will get up to 100% working capability, and I can show you a few other things that I have new. I have another new product coming up, waiting for the PCBs to arrive, which I think it will be nice little, I won't say toy because it will be something useful. But anyway, this is my IceCube GPS, and hopefully I will have more soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe. Corona is no joke, and I'm actually having no taste, smell, and I'm drinking water, and not even water tastes like water. It just it's a liquid. So be safe out there and take care of yourselves and your families. Bye, till next time.